Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can edit the audio in Filmora. If you just want to edit the audio and not the video, this video is for you. First, open the Filmora app on a mobile device. Then select the video you want to edit the audio in. After you've selected the video, simply tap on the video, then swipe until you see an option called Extract Audio. After you have extracted the audio, your video file and audio file will be separated. Then you can tap on the audio file and edit by either adding any voice effects, editing the volume, or cropping the audio. And this is how you can edit your audio in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.